If you want to create an event in Calendar on Motorola Edge 70 Pro, then first of all we need to go to the Google Calendar app, which we should be able to find in the app drawer, to be precise, in the Google folder over here. Now once we open the Calendar app, what you can do is you can tap on this plus button in the bottom right corner. And then we can choose the event option. Over here we can set up the title for our event. We can make the event last whole day, or you can just choose when the event starts and ends. So we can pick the date and the time over here. You can also choose the time zone over here in case your time zone is incorrect in this case. You can also choose if the event should be repeatable or not. You can add people to the event. We can add video conferencing. We can add the location. We can also manage notifications, so you can decide when you want to be informed about the upcoming event. You can choose multiple options as well. You can also add the description or even attach Google Drive files. And once you set everything up, just tap on the save here in the upper right corner, and then the event is going to be created. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.